Brentwood, Blooming Grove, Columbia, Metamora, Bunker Hill, Laurel, Cedar Grove, North.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Fayette County, Indiana, until 1 p.m. At 11:05 a.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms had produced heavy rain up to 3 inches since 7 a.m. across the warned area. Heavy rain continues to fall with another 1.5 inches possible through low noon. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Columbia, Bunker Hill, Nelltown, and Alpine. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. Keep children away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly, and sweep children away. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Keep